Today we'll see work from home in West Bengal. We'll see first job descriptions. Job role is virtual Amazon game specialist. Job type full time or seasonal. Full time means they will hire for permanent, or seasonal means they will hire you as a customer as a contract base, 4 months or 6 months based on agreement. And we'll see responsibilities. Responsibilities, this job is game based customer service. So in this job, customers will be playing some games. During playing game, if they are facing some problems or if they are facing some issues, we need to be ready to connect with the customer in chat or email or any other channels. They will provide some channels like general information, account troubleshooting in game trust and safety issues. So any issues you need to give support to customers. And the knowledge and skill required, you should be having gaming knowledge and skills for this job. And we'll see preferred qualifications. If you have these qualifications, you will be first person to select. They'll select you first if you have these preferred qualifications like hardcore gamer, extensive MMORPG experience, multi-platform gaming experience, experience moderating community forum. If you have these preferred qualifications, they will hire you first. And we'll see technical requirements. Internet is, if you should be having internet, and you should have 6 hours personal power backup. You should be have power backup, that is compulsory. And we'll see job qualifications. Okay, minimum age 18-year old. You should be having right in India, and you should have strong communication skill in English, both written and oral fluent. So you should know good communication in English, like you should be able to write in English and you should be able to speak in English. And you should be having experience using computer, like you should know how to use computers. So you should work in computer, and you should be ready to work in shift wise, like 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And you should be ready to work early or late or overnight or weekend or anytime. You should be ready to work, and you should be ready to willingness also, town to town, one city to another city. And you should be have quiet place. There should not be any distractions, and you should have there should be a one chair and table, a quiet place. And you should have internet connection, strong internet connection. Yeah. And finally we'll see hiring process. Very simple hiring process, like come to job application. You need to apply first. Here you can see apply button. Tap that apply button and scroll down. Here tap I accepted and tap continue button. Here login using email or phone number. If you don't have, create one. Fill this form. Your name, it will ask your name, surname, email address and phone number, the preferred language, preferred time zone, and create your personal pin and tap next button. It will create. So very simple how to, so you can apply like this. After this very simple you can apply. And and next is, after apply this, there will be a general question and screening questions. General questions will be very generic. Screening questions, as you know, they will ask some they will display some in screen. They will display some sentence or some essay, anything they can display. You should be ready to read, and you should be ready to write. Like for example, if they display something in 1 or 2 minutes, you should read quickly. And after displaying it will disappear, and they will ask to read it again, and they will ask to write it again. So how much you know, write quickly. That will be good actually, and it will be very easy to crack. No need to worry. And they will tell you your work assessment, like your role work assessment, and they will give you your role orientations. And finally day one, your first day at Amazon. Thank you guys watching for this video. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video. We'll see you on next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.